These are my sister's Roman candles.
They're not Roman candles.
What are they?
Uh-oh. Explosive Roman candles. Yay.
Okay, that's the first one.
That was, of course, just to see what they do.
Up the exposure slightly. Get it actually at a little less than half. So you're going to try doing 3 at once?
Sure. Finish up the whole thing at the same time.
Plenty bright for you?
Yep. Wish I had a lighter on. If I had my lighter still, it's in the car. Then I could just flame across these, but no.
Smoke balls can do the trick too, you know. That should be good enough.
Whistler. Hooray.
This is world's highest fountain. Ooh, nice effects. This one is world's strongest fountain. That was nice.
What's the difference between that and the world's tallest?
I don't really know.
I think it's frog time.
The one on the left is Frog Princess. The other one on the right is Dakota Frog. Dakota Frog is familiar. So let's see what the difference is between the two.
Come on.
That one ain't lighting.
Well, we can go let him off. I never noticed that the eyes and the mouth lit up, did you?
No. Okay.
There's the princess, now for the prince.
It don't look like the prince even went off. Well, since it is your firework, you light it. These are Master Missiles, part of my sister's fireworks. They're kind of like bottle rockets, although they're kind of inferior in quality. They're not too bad, however, but really noisy. Go.
Ha!
Not very impressive, are they?
That one wouldn't be bad. Yep.
This one is Kaleidoscope. That one wasn't too exciting. Color Pearl.
This punk sucks. Bad time to get this kitty here. Yippee.
Look at all that gently floating down.
Next. I think it's time for the snowstorm, don't you?
Snowstorm. This one is the, let me see this more closely here.
Should be snowstorm.
Dakota snowstorm.
Storm.
Dakota snowstorm. This is another one of my sister's fireworks.
A whole lot of bugs out here.
Yeah, and I got one biting on my back.
That sounds funny.
No kidding. Kind of a long one.
Not very excited. I wish all Dakota snowstorms were that good.
Flashlight on.
Bug light, that's what we need. That's still a little warm.
Blue stars. Doesn't look blue to me.
It has red and green, you can figure that out. I didn't see any blue.
Neither did I. Guess it must be a misnamed fountain.
Well, let's try the red star, which I believe is that one.
No, it's peach flower.
Oh goody, I love flowers. That's better.
Wow, that's a really bright one. Really had to turn down the exposure on that one.
Now for the yellow one. Or green, whatever it is.
It says green willow.
Don't look very green. it's time for everybody's favorite from last year, rainbow.
Super crackling rainbow. Sister's only got one case, however, but I've got something bigger.
Surprise for later. Here's the fuse. Did you eat it?
Super crackling rainbow. Let's see. Yeah. Got attacked by a 6-legged.
Ow! There's the fuse. Nikki didn't free the fuse for me.
Whoops.
There, dang bugs, go away.
Yeah, being out in the middle of nowhere, yeah,
Okay.
you're gonna get a lot of 6-legged things buzzing around.
You guys are supposed to be free to smoke. Go away. Okay, that's enough of that. Get away, bugs. I will spray you with Raid. Okay, time for the rainbow.
Super crackling rainbow. This one's one of my long-lasting ones.
It's a pretty one.
Really nice, isn't it?
And you want to do the blizzard now or wait?
Yeah, let's go do the blizzard.
Okay.
This was our bonus one from...
Because I spent so much.
Yeah, that's right. Spent so much. Victory, in a sense, for my sister getting a job. Isn't it so nice?
Of money. Let's see. Fuse found. Let's boogie.
Yep, this one's just called Blizzard. Nothing special.
Run. Ooh, pretty. By the way, that was launched at 1:30 in the morning.
1:30 a.m. Yep, that's the latest we've ever done fireworks. It's all thanks to moving to Fargo and being out in the middle of absolutely nowhere. There's no one to disturb. Now, you remember Memory Storm, right? And how that one lasted so long? Well, this time I got 4 of them joined together. Yeah, that's right. Memory Storm times 4.
One bag.
That was pretty intense. Accidentally left the lens cover closed by mistake.
What?
I got the bulk of it at least. I just left it closed at the initial start. So, your item. Here, you can give me a
What was it called?
Counter-Strike.
That's what it was.
You need the flashlight?
Nope. You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
That was another one.
That's it, just one. Wow, one of the most exciting of them all. Artillery shell's a whole lot better.
Speaking of,
These are my sister's artillery shells.
yeah, not bad. Hey, it worked.
Successful repair. I just heard a little clank of metal. Probably from one of the pyrotechnic stars hitting the metal. I'm going to be doing my artillery shells just so that way you can get a spare launch tube, because one of them is out of order.
I like that one.
Wait, I'm really going fast. I'm just needs off. You can just tear out the cardboard, is all you gotta do. Simple as that. Most of the time. Get back. Come here. I need the light. You didn't light all the way. There you go. Man, that's quick.
Uh-oh.
Missed one. Three.
timing. There's that one. Time for the big gun.
The big gun?
Big gun.
Ooh. This is Nuclear 24. These are some really big artillery shells, about twice the size of what we're used to. So, as to how these are, I have absolutely no idea.
This is our first time with the higher end artillery shell.
We're going to be doing these one at a time just to really get the effects. The idea, that is. Shoot 'em!
Lighting. Well, they certainly launch high up, don't they?
Yeah, I would definitely have to say so.
There we go.
Accuracy problems.
Funk problem. Take that one. These certainly go high, don't they?
Yeah, really high.
Ooh, I like that one. Slow piece. Ooh, I like that one. It burned in a squirt. Christmas. Nice red. Fuse bit me on that one. Christmas. There's a square, yeah. That's a big one. Not very many. That's better. That one burned in a square. Definitely my favorite one. Yay. Whoa.
Round 24. Final round.
You're blowing around out the head. Lighting. That's a little warm. That's it.
Nice way to end those artillery shells, isn't it?
Yep.
Now, you remember Super Crackling Rainbow, right? Well, how would you like to see Super Crackling Rainbow times 4? Yeah, that's right, times 4. I've hooked together using some extra fuse, getting 4 of these to go off at once. Hopefully this will work. This will be really intense, I'll tell you.
That's why I'm all the way back here.
Now that, I would say that is more of a finale than anything else. But I still got one more thing left. Oh boy, one left? Now what? The next one on the list is Red River Rage. This is supposedly a Fargo themed one. And, well, I also happen to be right next to the Red River. Let's see what this 500 gram cake is going to be like. Man, that super crackling rainbow times 4, that was really awesome. But how's this one? I don't know, but I'll find out really soon.
Bad either. Lots of shrapnel.
Yeah, all that falling shrapnel almost sounds like the Red River, just doing its thing. Well, I guess that concludes the 2013 show. What do you think? The last thing that's needed to be done is the worst part about the 4th of July. Cleanup. Lots and lots of cleanup to do.